Learn to enable Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G to silence notifications and enjoy a distraction-free phone experience anytime. Method 1. Using the Settings menu first. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Scroll down and tap on the Notifications section. Inside the Notifications menu, you will see the option called Do Not Disturb. Tap on it to open the settings. At the top of the screen, you'll find a toggle switch. Simply turn it on and Do Not Disturb mode will be activated immediately. Once enabled, your phone will silence incoming calls, alerts, and notification sounds based on your preferences. Method 2. Using quick settings. Fastest way. If you want a quicker method, swipe down from the top of your screen twice to open the full quick settings panel. Look for the Do Not Disturb icon, which usually looks like a circle with a line or minus symbol in the middle. Tap on it once and it will light up to show that the mode is now active. This is the fastest way to turn it on without going into settings. When you no longer need it, just tap the icon again to switch it off and it will return to normal gray color. That's it. Your phone is now in Do Not Disturb mode, completely distraction free.